got to understand that you can lose millions of people behind that one cause. You need to fix it and fix it fast.
You know, it's interesting. When you travel around the country, you struck a relationship with ESPN. You're a sports guy, and you're a Southern California guy. And it's hard to explain to people that don't live in Southern California. We like sports too, but it's part of our life. We've got sun and the weather, and you know, when you